right, what do we got going on today?
Skydive.
Skydiving. That explains those fancy backpack suits you're wearing. Any special occasion for going skydiving today?
I came for her birthday.
For her birthday. Oh, is this a birthday present? A birthday jump? There is no better way to celebrate a birthday than skydiving.
Exactly.
Well, it looks like you guys are ready. I'm ready. You ready to have some fun?
Yes.
Up top, let's get it.
Woo!
Here we go. Woo-hoo! Full flight. We want to go right, bend your right elbow, pull into your body. There we go. All the way up. Bend your left. All the way up. And then slow it down. Pull. Hold. You got a good grip, right?
Yeah.
Guess what? You're flying. Woo! Go ahead, bring it up. There you go. Yeah. Looking good. Smile the camera real good. Alright, you just went skydiving. How you doing? Nice. That is the best thing that we want to hear. What was your favorite part?
When we jumped off.
You like the free fall, huh? Well, you absolutely killed it. You did so good. Thank you so much for jumping with us at Colorado Springs Skydive. Woohoo!